Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time, I'm Gina Louise and I am doing a series of DIY videos. Today we're going to make chocolate covered Oreos. I am such a chocoholic and I've been dying to learn how to make these. I actually had no clue how to cover an Oreo in chocolate. I mean, I do with pretzels and other things, but I'm like, how do you make them look so neat and nice? Well, I found out the secrets, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to do that. I will leave the links below so that you can order the stuff I'm using if you would like to, if you need them. I'm going to show you the fastest, easiest way, the prettiest, how to make them pretty for baby showers, bridal showers, holidays. You can make them beautiful. Not only are they delicious, but they're so pretty, they make pretty favors. So we're going to make chocolate covered Oreos. I will also tell you where you can get chocolate that is made in a peanut-free factory. That's super important in my house. My daughter has a peanut allergy and I have to be so careful with that. And if you're making these for a party or some sort of an event, you should be worried about that too. You never know who has a peanut allergy. Lots of chocolate is made in a factory that also uses peanuts, and there's cross-contamination, and you never know the amount of peanut that can be in a piece of chocolate and have someone rush to a hospital or need an EpiPen. So it's important, and I will tell you where to get the best chocolate, and like I said, chocolate that comes from a peanut-free factory. So watch my video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of these videos, just subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I will answer everything. You will need a candy cookie mold, chocolate, a mixing bowl, a microwave or a double boiler to melt the chocolate, and Oreos. I bought these cookie molds from Amazon and I will put the link below. Microwave the chocolate for 30 seconds. Then take the bowl out and stir. Place the bowl back in the microwave and repeat the process of cooking for 30 seconds, stopping, stirring, and returning to the microwave until the chocolate has melted. Cover the bottom of the cookie mold and place an Oreo cookie on top. Then put more chocolate on top of the Oreo. And continue doing this until you fill up your candy mold. I like to do several at a time so that I have a bunch of them ready at the same time. Tap out all the air bubbles so you have nice, smooth, pretty cookies. Place the cookie molds in the refrigerator until they are hardened and they're very easy to pop out. I like to melt candy melts to decorate them and make them pretty for parties, and you could put sprinkles on them while the melt or chocolate is still warm so they stick to the cookies. There you go, beautiful chocolate covered Oreos ready for your next party. If you make these, don't forget to hashtag me on Instagram at #JustGinaLouise. And if you need to make them with nut-free chocolate, make sure you use Trader Joe's semi-sweet chocolate chips. So I know that I'm supposed to say, if you want to see my videos, then please hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, then give me a thumbs up. I've watched so many videos and I know that you're supposed to do this and it's kind of goofy, but yeah, you gotta do it. So hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and let me show you how we're going to make these. My next video, we're going to learn how to make unicorn cookies. Thanks for watching.